Hey, Assalamualaikum, and welcome back to the BONK update today. So 2 days ago, 713 people saw this video, and if you have been a follower, do make sure you're liking the videos, because I did tell you that I found this pattern that will move BONK by 21%. And I would actually like to say that we're here to help those people who are interested in stock market. So join the Telegram and check our Telegram if you need further help with understanding the stock markets, because we'll definitely try to help you get better in trading. But I want you to watch this little bit of a replay from the video itself. Soon, until, in my opinion, we're looking at 29 July. So within 2 days, the next 2 days, we shall see a pop to the upside. Now I'm actually going to take this trend line here. So if you do break to the upside, you're going to see 42.59, and if you break to the downside for BONK, you're going to actually see 27.07. Now the fact that you've actually moved so high, well, time will tell which direction exactly BONK is going to break and go to the up. Alright, so just like that, you have seen a prediction that played out very perfectly. And I said if you break up 4,000 something, if you go down 2,700 something, and look at this diamond pattern, there was a bit of manipulation we saw where BONK actually went up and took some stop losses and eventually went to the downside. That is a move that you cannot predict, but the thing is, yes, the technical target is met and the diamond pattern has played out. What is next? So what is next here, and I've given you a warning for so many days that BONK is on the daily time frame where it has been sold previously. So if you do take a look at this, then this is exactly where BONK touched the prices and went down. It touched the prices again and it's now coming down. So I'm going to tell you my take on the next best support right now. So I think it was in the same video that I told you that if you are going to go down, then do expect to see BONK coming and retesting this broken trend line. So what I do see in the next coming few days is that one scenario is that you completely drop and go down, and you try to move back up again. And by the way, I've made a stock video news update regarding Trump and the FOMC meeting. I'm actually doing some of the news update. If you guys are interested in learning about the news which actually drive the market, that would be amazing. So do make sure you're watching those videos on the channel, because you will learn a lot, right? News does matter a lot. It actually helps you get an idea of where things are headed next. And I did have this idea. So August is coming up, 1st July, there's a lot of tariff on India and a lot of things going on, and Trump, whatever he's doing, whatever the stuff he does actually make a difference in the market. But the thing is, this was one of your touches here, this was one of your touches again, one of your touch here again. So what can happen is the following. What you can do is you can basically just continue to drop from here to 2225, because that is your support, big support. You can actually try to get a trade here again, and you can actually go back to 3179. The reason I say 3179 is because that is a little bit of resistance where you can retest, which actually brings me to scenario number 2, where you can actually move up from here right now, go to 3255 and get rejection and actually continue lower. So one scenario is you just go down and then you go and pump back up again, right? That's the scenario number 1. And then scenario number 2 is you actually go up here and then you drop down. But there is a problem. If you retest right now before falling, if you go for the second scenario, you retest, when you fall down, there is a chance you might fall under that trend line. There's a chance. And if you fall down right now, let's say you just go down from here, there is a chance you may actually enter at 222, right? 2227, whatever that price is from this trend line, and you could actually win the trade if BONK actually moves back up again to 3242, because it's going to go back for that retest and probably take a lot of stop losses and then come down and maybe continue a little bit lower, whatever the scenario in the future is basically going to be. Now there is one rare scenario, and that one rare scenario is going to be if BONK gets bullish one more time, which is not very likely right now. I hate to break the bubble for you, but the thing is, if we do see a move back up again and try to break above 4216, then I can tell you this, definitely we're going to see BONK moving higher to 6192, and then it's going to create an all-time high and then move to the upside. Guys, these are scenarios, and this is why we call them technical analysis. Some people may actually think, which direction are you going to tell us one thing, and it doesn't work with one thing only. It is all ifs and buts and predictions and what do you call this? It is just possibilities of a lot of things. So statistics. We're talking about what is the best possible scenario. So previously we had diamond top, and I showed you that, and that was one of the biggest idea that, okay, a diamond top is created, we could actually move 20% down. I made the video, I gave you the video, and like this one as well. Do keep on supporting. Thank you so much. And until then, I'm going to see you in the next one. If you want to keep learning about stocks as well, news, we do have a Telegram, and we're super committed to help you out with your trading journey. So that's it, and I'm going to see you in the next one, office.